everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. Whether you're a part-timer, hobbyist, or a full-timer, it's always important to have a plan. A business plan! Business plans can be incredibly insightful, even in their simplest form, because they provide direction and they keep you on track with your goals, and they keep you true to why you started on the journey in the first place. But there are 7 key parts that you need to be aware of. There is the executive summary, the company description, your products and services, market analysis, strategy and implementation, organization, and lastly, your financial plan and projections. Each of these in and of itself is very important, but together they outline everything you want, everything you know, and everything you believe in. So, whether you're in it for the money, or the fun, or a combination of the two, take a minute, write one out. You might be surprised by what you write.